Hi guys, we are working on the 2023 Skoda Enyaq, a beautiful car, and we are going to show you now how to start the vehicle if the key fob battery is dead. So all you have to do is just to take the key fob, put it up against the push to start button and start it, okay? And then the car will automatically start. There is a chip right here, and it once it recognizes the reader here, it will start the vehicle. So that's all you have to do, and then of course replace the battery and you're all good to go. Thanks for watching.